Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Once. Step in. Update field. Then I will also add one more line. This agreement. Something like that. I will go to the quit parts. I will go to field. Go to document property. Then I will select effective date. Effective date. There is an option to show the field. Let's control yes. I will go to Ariba screen. Drag and drop. Overview. Load. Whose file? Upload. Replace document by the uploaded file. Click on OK. So once we create a test project, this will get updated with the project. Let's give it a try. Create my test project. This project. Contract ID related. ID effective date, the date. The date. Create test. If there is any visibility condition, return to template editor. Go to overview. There is a visibility condition. What is that condition? Visibility condition, region and department. Region is equal to India and department equal to HR. I'll go to create my test project. Here I will select region equal to India, department equal to HR. Once I do that, then I should able to select the template. Click on that template. We'll be approval now. Then I click on create test. I'll go to the documents. Once I go to the document, you can see this contract workspace ID got updated based on our testing. I have used the document properties. So where I have inserted a column called workspace ID, this agreement contract, workspace number, this agreement date, effective date. Like that. You can use real-time fields from here and then wherever you want to use this field. You can able to use in multiple fields. This agreement. So wherever you are referring, because to get this data updated dynamically to wherever you want to use this field, you can able to use. So how do you set up those document properties? I'll just explain you. So I'll go to the contract workspace. So go to the template. Click on that. Return to template editor. Go to the documents. Open this document. View details. Action, set up document properties. You can maintain your document properties using this format. Is it clear? Yeah. If some companies follow these classes and they want to use slides, some additional fields from your project, then this will be useful. You should be knowing also. Now I'm going to set up contract workspace. So this is working fine. So once I make this one in my document, then whenever someone creates a contract workspace, this will be defaulted. Similarly, we'll go to the task side. Even buy a paper. These are all they have used visibility condition. If they select this visibility condition, only these tasks will become, and these are all very standard to do tasks only. Nothing will make any action, so I'll go to the task side. Use task details. Legal. To do tasks only. I'll just show you one approval task, how you can create. Or review task, how you can create. Now user will create a contract document, main agreement, and he will make the changes as per requirement. And now this has to go for a review task. Click on this down arrow and click on review. Then review task will be created and you need to maintain who is the reviewer here. You need to maintain who is the reviewer. So you can add multiple members also into your reviewers. Once the reviewer is done. If it is a required task, you need to keep it. If it is not, then it is an optional task. Review task. Click on OK. Once you go here, then you will be having reviewer. Task will be added into your document. Now, view task details. So once user creates this document, he will be having on the left-hand side of this document. He will make changes and he will upload the file if we want to make some changes that we are going to see in tomorrow's session. One more thing I want to show is when you edit this task. You can decide predecessor task also. Once you select predecessor task approval for contract, for example, click on OK. then this task cannot be run until this approval for contract has been completed. Generally, I can take this to the up level. If I want to run this task in If I want to run this task, I need to complete this step.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.